The Dad Joke 3000 is a novelty gadget designed to bring laughter and lighthearted fun to families, especially those who appreciate the classic cheesy humor known as dad jokes. This device features over 75 different dad jokes that are delivered at the push of a button, making it an entertaining gift for fathers, grandfathers, and anyone who enjoys a good pun or silly joke. The product comes ready to use with 2 AAA batteries included, so it is functional right out of the box, which adds to its appeal as a convenient and ready-made gift option. Its compact size of 3 by 3 by 1 inches and lightweight design make it easy to handle and suitable as a stocking stuffer or a white elephant gift for various occasions. Users have praised the Dad Joke 3000 for its ability to provide hours of amusement for the whole family. The jokes are described as family-friendly, cheesy, and reminiscent of old-school humor that resonates well with both kids and adults. Many reviewers have noted that their children, ranging from preteens to teenagers, find the jokes particularly funny, often laughing at how perfectly the jokes capture the stereotypical dad humor. This shared enjoyment across generations makes the device a great tool for family bonding and lighthearted moments. The simplicity of the device is one of its strengths. It is easy to operate, requiring only the press of a button to hear a new joke. This straightforward functionality makes it accessible to users of all ages, including children. The jokes come in quick succession, and the device cycles through them in a fixed order. However, some users have pointed out a minor drawback. If the device is turned off completely, it resets to the first joke in the sequence. This means that if you want to avoid repetition and continue from where you left off, it is best to leave the device switched on. Despite this, the joke selection is broad enough that repetition is not a frequent issue during typical use. The build quality of the Dad Joke 3000 has received mixed feedback. While it is generally considered adequate for a novelty item, some users have described the construction as somewhat cheap or lightweight. This is not unexpected given the product's nature as a fun, inexpensive gift rather than a premium electronic device. Nevertheless, the device performs reliably in delivering jokes and does not suffer from significant mechanical or audio issues. The sound quality is clear enough for indoor use, though it may be challenging for older individuals with hearing difficulties to catch every punchline, which sometimes leads to children repeating the jokes aloud. One of the most appreciated aspects of the Dad Joke 3000 is its versatility as a gift. It fits well with various occasions, including birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and even casual gift exchanges like Secret Santa or white elephant parties. It pairs nicely with other traditional dad gifts such as socks, hats, or novelty shirts, adding a humorous and interactive element to gift giving. Many users have reported that the device has become a favorite in their households, with family members pressing the button multiple times a day to enjoy the jokes and share laughs. In terms of content, the jokes range from classic puns to playful one-liners, some of which are delightfully silly or even a bit cheeky. One user mentioned a joke that was insanely mean but hilarious, highlighting that the humor can occasionally push the boundaries in a way that still feels lighthearted and funny rather than offensive. This variety keeps the experience fresh and entertaining. Overall, the Dad Joke 3000 is a successful novelty gift that delivers on its promise of fun and laughter. It is especially suited for families who enjoy playful humor and want to add a bit of whimsy to their daily interactions. The device's ease of use, ready-to-go batteries, and the sheer number of jokes make it a practical and enjoyable purchase. While the build quality is modest and the joke sequence resets when powered off, these minor issues do not detract significantly from the overall positive experience. For anyone looking to surprise a dad, husband, or grandfather with a unique and amusing gift, the Dad Joke 3000 is a strong contender. It encourages smiles, shared moments, and the timeless tradition of dad jokes, making it a memorable and appreciated present. If you have this product or decide to get it, leaving a review in the comments can help others make an informed choice and contribute to the community of dad joke enthusiasts. Remember, the link to the product is in the description to support the channel and help you find this fun gadget easily.